the south one rainy autumn night, the sky above.
This adventure, Class 5 Boatworks is taking the Ivishak boat up the Tanana River with the hopes of getting a bull moose this hunting season.
Goodbye sight, the sky above, and the mud below. They threw their horsehair bridle down. We trade this for whiskey rounds. The deacon slammed the bottle down, and the two men started drinking. Their hair was long and black, tied up behind their ears, the sky above and the mud below. Their faces were identical, like one man beside a mirror, the sky above and the mud below. And someone whispered that beats all their wanted posters on the wall. Twin brothers named his Sandoval, horse thieves from Boatworks. The bridles and the belts they wore were braided gray and black, the sky above and the mud below. The color of the roan horse once belonged to Deacon Black, the sky above and the mud below. The fastest horse for miles around had been stolen from the old fairground some months ago outside of town. We tracked but never found him. When the deacon was a preacher who'd fallen hard from grace, the sky above and the mud below. He owned the bar and the string of quarter horses that he'd race, the sky above and the mud below.
We came across a dry riverbed, which had tons of moose tracks, so we figured it would be a good spot to stop and set up camp.
A man you did not anger. The sky above, the mud below, the wind and the sleet and the rain and snow. Two horse thieves from old Mexico, drinking hard and singing. One brother, he spoke English, so Deke inquired as to their work, the sky above and the mud below. The man said, "Mister, we braid horsehair, bridle ropes and whips, the sky above and the mud below. And this fine bridle I did make, their own horse killed by a lame bone break. His horsehair rope, now horse meat steak."
After hiking, glassing, and moose calling around all day, we ended up spotting a cow and a calf out in a meadow.
But his brothers, they were ignorant, or didn't know just where they were, the sky above and the mud below. The deacon's face grew dark.
We hoped there might be a bull with them, but unfortunately there wasn't.
And the mud below. "You horsehair braiding sons of bitches stole my claim to earthly riches. Someone go and dig a ditch. There may well be a hanging." One brother reached inside his shirt, searching for his gun, sky above.
Although we never saw a bull moose, it was still a great weekend out on the river.
Whipped around his sawed-off Remington, sky above and the mud below. The twins, they raised their hands and sneered. Deke was grinning ear to ear. "This court's in session, hear ye hear. Yours truly is presiding." But the trial commenced and ended quick. They didn't have a hope, the sky above and the mud below. Deacon says, "We'll cut your hair